Yo, what is up, loud and proud crowd? I hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic. It is a beautiful, hot day here in Indiana. It's not the peak heat of the day yet. It's only 10 in the morning, but it's gonna get pretty hot and sticky. I can kind of feel it's pretty humid right now. So we have a video today. We're gonna try to shoot on the 7.3. Yes, old Whitey, the truck that has been pretty much neglected. It's finally been driven a little bit here and there. Dad's been driving that over the white first gen. Obviously, Nasty Red's not here, and he's been working that truck more recently since I'm having work done on Nasty Red right now. So hopefully, you guys are doing awesome. Just want to let you guys know in the very beginning of this video, the 12 valve giveaway is live, and yes, you get to pick. If you win, you get to pick for just $15 either Nasty Red, the red first gen, or my silver dually, which is sitting right over there. That's how it works. Every $15 you spend is another entry to win, and I do apologize for yesterday. I had no idea that by time that video even went live, the hoodies were already gone and that video wasn't even up yet. So pretty crazy. You guys just killed the blue and white hoodies. They were just sold out instantly, and that's the first thing my mom, she's like, we're running out of hoodies already. So you guys just ate those things up. So I was kind of on the fence. I didn't know how they were gonna do, but you guys just love the hoodies apparently. So thank you guys so much. Ordered items for the last 12 valve giveaway that we did. I want to say a huge sorry for the slowness of shipping and stuff like that for that giveaway. That giveaway, it was a totally different situation. We didn't have the inventory marked on the store right. Shipping was just a mess. I mean, it was chaotic. But now everything is finalized. We're very strict and meticulous on how we handle inventory and orders now. We've got the site completely nailed down. So pretty much most people, when they place orders, they get their stuff within 3 to 4 days, which means that it ships like the same day or the day after. This weekend, of course, is Labor Day weekend, so it's gonna be a little bit different. Nobody, no government offices are gonna be open to ship stuff out, but we're very strict about how we're selling stuff and how we're shipping it out. We're trying to really bring a lot more value to you guys, and so that when you guys participate and you show your love and support, you guys get very snappy shipping and very responsive customer service. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support. Let's get into today's video, but link in the description to enter the 12 valve giveaway. Only runs for another 28 days, I think, so get in while you can. Here's the old 7.3. You guys haven't seen it in a while. She's a little rusty. The rusty but trusty, you know what I'm saying? Take another look at the dually there. The red first, and you guys get the pick from. But today we are going to be installing a Quadzilla tuner from Diesel Auto Power. Now, I have never ran a Quadzilla tuner on any of our trucks. Now, those of you who really know your diesels know that in 12 valves, you cannot run tuners. You can run like an attitude adjuster and stuff like that, but that's not a tuner. It's just like mechanically controlling your fuel supply and stuff. But this is the tuner that DAP sent for the 7.3, and here's the programming stuff and the wiring and the switch for it. But anyways, it has all the instructions for if you have an OBS or the newer style 7.3, and they say it's only about a 30-minute install, so we're gonna see. Hopefully it's pretty darn easy, but you can check this thing out at dieselautopower.com. Just type in Quadzilla tuners, or just Quadzilla, I guess, actually in the search bar on their website, and then you can search according to your truck. So I'm pretty sure they have them for Cummins and Powerstroke and all kinds of stuff. So if you guys are interested in that, definitely go check it out. dieselautopower.com. Right there. So it's spelled out for you guys. Anyways, let's get this truck on the road, get a little reaction to how it runs currently, and then get it pulled into the bay, get that new tuner put on. Hear that? No, that's not the sound of a diesel. That's the sound of cold AC blowing. And holy smokes, that's awesome. I actually think the edge is not hooked up right now, so it's going to be a little bit difficult to do like a comparison of the edge to this new one. It looks like the edge itself is plugged in down there. It just must be booted off. But I guess we're just gonna be doing basically like a before and after, like with the stock horsepower feel, which is pretty much what it's gonna be. I mean, with some pusher parts on it, with an cold air intake on it, just some other straight pipe exhaust, but that's really it. Nothing really performance done to it, I guess you could say, but we're just gonna see how it runs. I haven't ran a stock in a while, so having this shut off is gonna be a lot different, but then we'll get back with the tuner in there and see the difference. We're just warming it up so we can get the transmission warmed up, fluids and stuff. Make sure oil temps are up. Smoke. That was 60 miles an hour. If I drive it like a normal person would, it doesn't hardly smoke at all. But our trucks now, we're not really gearing them to blow smoke. Like when I first got my first 12 valve, I was just like, man, I'm just gonna make this thing roll cool. I thought it was the coolest thing. But after you drive a diesel for a little while, you realize nobody really cares about that when it comes to like actual usability, performance out of the truck. Like who really cares? So it's kind of cool to see a little puff of black smoke once in a while. People think it's funny in public when you see other truck guys like, oh cool man, rolls cool. But I don't really tune our trucks for that anymore, like tune them in terms of engine parts and stuff like that. It's more just for the performance and usability. Oh yeah, and another update for the 7.3 that I don't know if you guys know about. Oil cooler is fixed. So no longer any massive leaks under this thing every time you park it. All that's fixed, taken care of, and good as new. Anyway, so I'm gonna get this all dismantled, these couple little things, hook it up, and get back to you and do a little bit of a review on it. Hopefully it surprises me. PCM, there's a 10 mil on the back here, and that disconnects. Other than that, we should be good under the hood. And on the inside, you just pop out these 4 pins to run your wiring. Well, yeah, pretty much run your wiring. And then I got the switch located right here. And then it runs out of the back of the box here in a little bit of time lapse. You can see how I connected the chip in there, and then I drilled a hole in the back of that plastic there, and then I used a sticker, actually just did like a little X through it, and then I ran the wiring through there. And they say that you can do that and wrap it around the computer itself to kind of keep more dust from getting in there over time. The switch goes down to pretty much no man's land right there. It's pointing down to where it looks like there's nothing there, and then we're gonna switch it. It's on 0, like it can't go back anymore, but then we'll go up 1 click. The engine light popped on, the fuel light kicked on just for a second. Then now it's running at 1,000 RPM. Go down the road, give her a little bit of juice here, inch it up and just see how it responds. I'll have you guys a view of the RPMs. Seven. I'm gonna idle for just a second. Holy crap. I feel like it is the burnouts Joshua did in his beater the other day. We're gonna get it down to about 30 there and then just give it some juice. Engine light. Figured that was gonna happen sooner or later. Man, it's definitely got more juice. I will say that. The tunes aren't just like, 1 is a little powerful, 2 is a little bit more, 3 is a little bit more, so on and so forth. So let me show you the settings on this thing so you guys can have an idea. Okay, so number 1, stock setting. I didn't really know. I kind of figured that number 1 was, but I didn't really know. Number 2 is just a high idle. So when you click on a number 2, it's not necessarily going to give you tons more power. It's just going to make it high idle, you know, for when it's cold and you're trying to warm up your truck before you run it down, you know, run it down the road or whatever. That's what number 2 is. Number 3, and I was like, it's cool, but it's not like fast. It's a towing setting. And number 4 is just the towing setting with a little more power. Number 5 is when I noticed that it was a little bit more powerful. I could tell it was setting me back in the seat just a little bit more, and I was like, oh, this is cool. 6, again, it was really cool. I could tell it was setting me back a little bit more. And 7, which is race, it was just like coasting, man. Like it was just cruising. And I got it up to 80 and I didn't even realize it on a straight road. And it was a little bit more smoky. There's a little bit more coal rolling action going on, but it was just moving the truck. Like it was just moving. And then, you know, setting 8, they have it marked as beast mode, and I did not try that one out, but I would imagine it's going to be even more so than setting 7. And for a truck being completely stock except for a tuner and some other intake parts and stuff like that, it was a pretty good noticeable difference. So I'm not going to give any kind of bad feedback on this tuner just because I didn't know what I was doing when I was running it down the road, just clicking it through tunes and settings and stuff. It was fun. It was cool. It was definitely cool once I got it into setting 7. It just set you back pretty good, but I didn't want to put my foot all the way down because I didn't want to like screech the tires or start spinning them out like my dad has a couple times way back. And then you just start to put some wear on your transmission after so much of that abuse. And this transmission having almost 280,000 miles on it, being bone stock, and after just having paid for nasty reds and I know how much they cost to get done, I just decided I didn't want to really lay into it that much. But slow accelerations and easy on it, it still sets you back and you notice a big difference. Definitely cool. Definitely a cool tuner, and I'd have no problem recommending it. Guys, that is going to put a wrap on this video. Hopefully you enjoyed that little video of the 7.3. I haven't done any 7.3 content in a little bit of time now. It's been a little while. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that little dose of 7.3. There's just not like a ton going on with that truck right now, and more of my focus is on sorting out stuff to get the 2-wheel drive first gen build going. One more time, we are running the 12-valve giveaway. There's only 28 days left of this giveaway, so definitely don't forget to get entered. And I must stress this, stuff sells out. Like I said, hoodies sold out in like 15 hours. They were gone off the shelf before I could even post a video letting you guys know that the giveaway was live. So pretty crazy. So if you guys are wanting to, there's my headphones. So if you guys are wanting to get entered in and you want to make sure that you can get entered while we still have inventory of certain things, definitely don't miss out. I mean, I'm not telling you guys you have to go buy stuff right now, but just keep in mind that stuff does sell out. So if you are on the fence about entering, I guess you could say that's all I'm letting you know, is that you might not have another option too if stuff sells out. Definitely just letting you know there. Decals, t-shirts. I would say hoodies, but they're all sold out. Here's one of my new favorite Loud and Proud shirts. Obviously they're all going to be my favorites. It's my brand. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to enter the 12-valve giveaway. Every $15 you spend gets you entered to win. Winner gets to pick one of the 3 12-valves. The dually, the red first gen, or nasty red. So it's going to be super hype. 3 of the best options that we have for you guys. Absolutely great options, and I cannot wait to see the look on somebody's face when they get drawn to take home a truck. And also one more thing, somebody was asking, he's like, dude, I'm not going to enter because you're not gonna cover shipping or cover expenses to come get the thing if I live 10 hours away. Actually, I do cover expenses for that kind of stuff. So if you, let's say you live in Florida, I cover your expenses to either come get it, fly up and grab it and drive it back, or I can cover the expense to get it shipped to you. So don't worry about that kind of stuff. If you get a free truck, you're gonna get a free truck. So thank you guys so much for all the love and support. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, subscribe if you're new, and I'll get you guys in the next video. Peace.